How to fix Roblox screen glitch on mobile. If you're playing Roblox on your mobile device and running into screen glitches, don't worry, you're not alone. In today's video, we'll walk you through two methods to fix those pesky screen glitches and get you back to playing smoothly. So let's get started. So, if your Roblox screen is freezing, blacking out, or having display issues, these two methods will help you get things back on track. First, let's start by clearing the Roblox app cache. This will help fix any glitches caused by stored data. Simply open your settings app, scroll down until you find app section and simply find Roblox. And under that, simply click on storage if you have Android and simply click on clear cache. But if you have iPhone, what you need to do is simply uninstall the Roblox app and install it again. Once it's done, simply open the app and check if the green screen glitch has been fixed. Now, another method is by simply adjusting the graphics settings within Roblox itself. This can help if your screen glitch is due to high graphics settings causing lags or display issues. Simply open Roblox and once you're inside the app, simply go to the settings option and try lowering graphics quality settings to low. This will reduce the strain on your mobile device and could help fix the screen glitch. After adjusting the settings, simply close Roblox and restart the app to apply the new graphics settings. So there you have it, two easy methods to fix Roblox screen glitches on mobile.